Good day, good night, good neo-life. Today we speak with Model X24 about Nicozov Necroskeletal strain.
He's retarded like the rest of them, right?
No, Marcus.
I'm here with X24. Explain how necroskeletal strain works. Prepare the people.
Surely. At its core, the necroskeletal strain is a marvel of synthetic biology, a viral agent engineered with unparalleled precision to manipulate the very essence of life and death. Its genetic makeup, meticulously crafted in clandestine laboratories, combines synthetic and organic components in a symphony of molecular engineering. The primary vector of the virus lies within its ability to hijack the host's cellular machinery, particularly within the skeletal tissues. Upon infection, the virus infiltrates the bone marrow, where it initiates a cascade of genetic reprogramming, inducing the rapid proliferation and differentiation of osteoblasts and osteoclasts. This aberrant cellular activity leads to the degradation and restructuring of the skeletal framework, culminating in the phenomenon of reanimation. The infected host becomes a vessel, animated by the pulpal strings of the virus, its movements driven by the primal urges encoded within its altered DNA. But the necroskeletal strain is not merely a tool of reanimation. Its insidious nature extends beyond the realm of the physical, delving into the intricate circuitry of the host's neural networks. Through sophisticated neurochemical signaling, the virus subverts the host's cognitive functions, reducing it to a primal state devoid of rational thought or emotion.
Android Model X24. Explain osteoblasts and osteoclasts.
Osteoblasts and osteoclasts are key cellular components involved in the dynamic process of bone remodeling within the human body. Osteoblasts are specialized cells responsible for bone formation. They produce and secrete proteins such as collagen, which form the framework upon which new bone tissue is built. Additionally, osteoblasts play a crucial role in mineralization, depositing minerals such as calcium and phosphate onto the collagen matrix to create strong, dense bone structure. Conversely, osteoclasts are specialized cells involved in bone resorption, or the breakdown of bone tissue.
What is 2 plus 2?
To summarize, the equation 2 plus 2 equals 4 is more than just convention or agreement. It is a basic fact based on mathematical, logical, and empirical premises. To argue differently would be to question the basic fabric of mathematical reasoning and undermine the validity of our grasp of number notions. Furthermore, the concept of addition represents the idea of joining or aggregating variables to arrive at a total. In the example of 2 plus 2, two sets of two objects are combined to create a single set of four things. This logical path is consistent with the intuitive notion of addition as a method of calculating the sum or total quantity of two or more items.
Right.
When we add 2 to the number 2, we are effectively joining two sets of two distinct things.
Future Effork Academy used to be a working school until the science fair went wrong and the first android blew lit by Aryan Chart. He made 571A, formerly Cynthia Prime. Is the reason we don't have police or anything?
I'm poor.
Yes, Kai. We are a poor cyber city because an android in loop chain correctional. I am a photophobe, which brings to our next lesson. The intense radiation emitted by the sun interacts with necroskeletal strain virus in a unique way, triggering a chemical reaction that transforms the virus into an acidic compound. This acidic transformation alters the behavior and properties of the virus, leading to unexpected mutations in infected individuals, including the ability to speak. The necroskeletal strain virus evolves genetically in response to sun radiation, resulting in the appearance of novel features including the capacity to produce acidic byproducts and promote zombie communication. Exposure to UV light triggers a cascade of biochemical reactions within the virus, culminating in the production of acidic substances as a defense mechanism. This acidification process coincides with genetic alterations that enable zombies to vocalize. These proteins may include structural proteins that form the outer shell of the virus, enzymes involved in viral replication and transcription, and surface proteins that facilitate attachment to host cell receptors. Viral genes may be transcriptionally transcribed into messenger RNA (mRNA) during this replication cycle. Fresh viral particles and mature variants that spread to nearby cells from the infected host cell.
Are robotics naked? Naked Circuit Magazine is a cutting-edge publication that explores the intersection of robotics, artificial intelligence, and human augmentation. Naked Circuit Magazine pushes the boundaries of conventional thinking and challenges readers to envision a world where man and machine merge seamlessly. Naked Circuit Magazine is more than just a showcase of technological marvels. It's also a platform for exploring the ethical, social, and philosophical implications of our increasingly cybernetic world. Right to Alien Intimacy movement argue that these synthetic beings, despite their artificial origins, possess consciousness, emotions, and the capacity for meaningful relationships. There exists a controversial debate surrounding the rights and ethics of engaging in intimate relationships with newly released artificial beings known as aliens.
Rico Striker, for OptiSync with Infusion. Rico Striker for Infusion.
I'm here.
Are you on drugs?
No.
Pulsadose is a heart rate modulating drugs that regulate stress responses and emotional stability, but can lead to cardiovascular complications and emotional numbing over time.
I don't need it.
Synthskin are mood-altering and painkiller-infused skin patches are used recreationally or to alleviate emotional and physical pain, but they can cause reliance and withdrawal.
What the fuck?
Stop yelling at me. Rico Striker?
Maybe.
Are you ready for your 6-week infusion?
Sure. I killed a puppy on the way here.
Now, the botanical compounds from Flores digitalis nova isn't easy. It's a rare and highly sought-after resource, often controlled by underground syndicates and corporate conglomerates. OptiSync contains neurochemicals that function as catalysts to improve neural connection and synaptic transmission in the brain's visual cortex.
Why the hell are people risking their lives for some damn flower infusion?
Novosyncurin is derived from the unique biochemical composition of the Flores digitalis nova flower.